These are my new ducks that I got. There's 7 of them. Oh, look at the peacocks. They're so cute. Hi, boys. Hi, boys. So we got these guys. All the ducks who are happier than pigs and shit. Then we have this little mama. Hey, little mama, let me whisper in your ear. Tell you a little something I'd like to hear. Hi, where are your babies? They over here? I hear them. I hear them. Let's see. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Down the stairs we go. Let's see if we can get there in time. Down the stairs we go to see our mom. To see our mom. Up the other set of stairs. Really? Really? I mean, why can't you guys just mind your own business? These ducks have been somewhat exiled because she's evil. You guys are just so loud. Get some. Get some, big boy. Like, come on, Jesus. Anyways, yeah, so this is everybody. The babies and their mom. Yeah, I know, honey, you are tore it from the floor up. I tried how long to get you to get off that nest of eggs? Because they weren't fertile, so I ended up having to get you some baby chickens and stuff them under you at night. My trickery is complete. Hi, babies. Hi, there's the little baby girl right there. Anyways, that's it. That's my crazy crew for the day. Oh, here we go. It's the WWD SmackDown.